What's up, guys? As you guys can see, that symbol right there means we got a DJI product to unbox. The remote controller 2 from DJI FPV. Now I'm also going to show you guys how to fix your left stick because when you're flying FPV, you don't want your throttle to pop back. If you guys have ever flown DJI controllers before, you know that as soon as you let go of the throttle, it pops back right up to the middle. And on an FPV drone, that would be pretty dangerous because you would not have control of the throttle. Oh, let me say this box is a little difficult to open, but that would be my fault. Alright, so in the box here we have this weird little pad. We've got the manual and we've got the controller. And it looks like we've got the gimbals. Nice. Nothing else in the box. Get that bad boy out of here. Alright, we've got our gimbals here. Now, this controller's pretty cool. You got your start, stop for your recording over here. You got your auto home, which we're not going to use because we're using a custom drone. Come on, let's go. Neutral, sport, and manual mode here, which is going to be angle, horizon, and acro mode. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Then you've got a couple, 3 momentary switches there, and then again, record. So now on the back, on this side underneath the joystick, you'll see some arrows here. There's a little arrow right there. That means pop it up right there. So you can either take a fingernail if you have long enough fingernails, or a knife or something like that to go ahead and pop that back off right there. All right. Now the F1 and F2 screws are labeled for us right there. F1 and F2. Those are the two that you're going to need to tighten. Now, the tool that you're going to need to use is a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. And so it just fits right in there in the F1 hole. And we're going to go ahead and tighten this thing pretty good most of the way down because that's just how you do it. So boom, F1 all the way tight. Get down into the F2 hole. Can we get it down in there? All right, perfect. It's down in there. Tighten, 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 tighten. You want to get it to where, and you can test the stick to feel how you like it, but you really just want it all the way loose. So I'm just going to tighten until I feel it get tight there. And we're going to go ahead and install one of the gimbals on the drone just to make sure that it does what it's supposed to do. All right, so I got it just partially in the, you gotta put it in the hole. All right, twist it in just like that, and then now it should just go straight down as soon as I put it down. Boom. All right, now, so if you, it's pretty tight, so I think I'm gonna loosen it just a little bit because I don't want it to feel that tight. I want it to be pretty loose when I move it around. I think we're going to loosen it just a little more. You can adjust this how you want so it doesn't feel like too tight when you're flying the drone. You want it to be able to be loose and you can move it around and stuff. All right, so now that we got that, we're going to go ahead and install our other joystick. Make sure you don't cross those threads because that would suck. And now just pop this little cover back on the back. You may have to do this once or twice to get it working right, but you're just basically going to pop it down into its place that you pulled it out of. Okay, and it should look like that once you're done. Now you can freely move your stick up and down. Now, did you guys know this sound? Boo-doo-doo. That's DJI. These lights will come on and they should start blinking because it is looking for its pair. Now, if you guys want to put this in pairing mode, all you're going to do is hold down the power button until you hear it. Boom, there you go. Now it's searching. It's looking for the drone. Now, we're going to stop that because we're not looking for a drone yet. We're going to press once and then hold it again to turn it off. I'll show you guys one more time. Press it once, hold it to turn it on, press it again, hold it to turn it off. Alrighty guys, now if you guys want to see me use this controller, we're going to be flying a drone with it here in a day or two when we get our goggles. So this controller is really cool and I really appreciate you guys. Go ahead and leave a subscribe down below, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys use this controller? Have you guys had any experience with this controller? I want to know because I just got it. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this controller, and I'll keep bringing you guys content. I'm out.